Well, this is a typical night in Prince Rupert. It's about 1 degree, maybe 2 degrees. This is our little space. Tips! What are you doing, hiding? Too rainy, eh? We just stay in our little patch under the canopy. But it's pretty typical. Been here for 3 weeks and I've never seen one person come out of any trailers. We're out here every night. If it's not pouring rain like this, we have a campfire over there. But it's tough to get it started right now. But yeah, this is what we do. Stand here, we have a beer, and wait till it's time to go to bed. And do it again.